Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It has been hard for me to find the time to film with this one because she is all over the place now. She's not walking yet, but she is crawling everywhere. She just turned a year this week. So I thought today we would, we're having her birthday party in a couple days, so I need to clean the house. So I thought that you guys could come along and just kind of see what we do during the day and help me clean. Are you gonna help? Are you gonna help me clean? No, okay. The older girls just went back to school yesterday, so I don't have them to help entertain her. So it should be interesting, huh? Yeah. No fussies. That's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna kind of clean up a little bit, get ready for the party, and then tomorrow I will probably decorate a little bit, and I'll probably bring you guys along for that. Ready? You ready to clean? I think she needs to go back to sleep. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing I like to do is start off in the bedroom. I usually try to make the bed first thing, but sometimes the kids, it's kind of, we're rushing around trying to get them to school on time, so sometimes I don't get to do that right away. So I like to go in the bedroom and just make up the bed and just tidy everything up on my nightstand, and that just makes me feel so much better. And of course I had a load of laundry in the dryer that needed to be folded because I do laundry pretty much every day now. Being a family of 5, it is hard to keep up with all that laundry. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold all this laundry and get that put away. So that first day, we did not do a whole lot. Gia was really hard to entertain, so I really didn't do a whole lot of video. So this is actually the second day. I am just tidying up the living room, or the dining room right now. I'm clearing off the table so that we have somewhere to eat for the party. And yeah, so I'm just gonna clear everything off, and I'm just spraying it down with my Target cleaner. I actually really like this cleaner. This one is the antibacterial. I can't remember what brand it is, but they had one that did not have any antibacterial in it. But then I found this one and I really like it. It's like a lavender scent. So we are just going to clean up the dining room and the kitchen, and then we will get to decorating. You made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. And yes, that would be mail that I have hidden behind that tray because I hate looking at it. I don't know, sometimes I go through the mail right away and throw it away or file it. But some days I get lazy and I just like to hide it back there. So maybe once a week I'll go back there and go through it all. But yeah, don't judge. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. Now we are moving on to the living room. I'm tidying up all of Gia'S toys. I so got out of the habit of doing this because my girls are old enough to clean up after themselves. But now having a 1-year-old again, it is weird. I'm constantly cleaning up toys. She is constantly making messes, but she's having fun. So I'm just gonna go through and tidy up the living room and straighten up the couches and everything and just get the room ready for the party. Get me out of now. Now we have this blanket on our couch. It's just kind of become a habit. I just leave it on there all the time because sometimes my kids eat there, like when they're watching a show, like having breakfast, and sometimes they spill. So I just like to keep that on there. It doesn't look the greatest, but it protects our couch. Now I'm moving on to the half bath, and if you notice, this is actually day 3 because I'm wearing something different. I just showered, and it's actually the day of the party. So I am cleaning up the bathroom, and then the next part you're going to see some decorating, and that was actually filmed on the second day. But like I said, it has been so tricky with Gia'S, so it's just, this video is all over the place. But so the next scene you'll see me wearing the other outfit again. That's because it's day 2. So now I'm going to start decorating. We're doing a Hawaiian theme, and most of the decor I got is from Amazon or Temu. Some of the stuff is from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, but this particular backdrop I actually got off Amazon, and we used it for my baby shower last year, and I just thought this would look so cute. So unfortunately I didn't get video of everything because I just was kind of trying to get it all done, and I forgot to grab the camera. But the happy birthday banner was from Temu. They have some awesome party decor supplies, and they're so cheap, you guys. They're so much cheaper than Amazon. So if I can find any of the product links, I will put them in the description box if you guys want to check them out. And if you haven't checked out Temu yet, you probably should because it's really cheap. I'm not an affiliate, or I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I have like a link. If you want to use it, you can get a coupon code bundle. So I'll have that down in the description box as well. But yeah, so I'm just going through and I'm just kind of setting stuff up for the party. So if you guys have any questions about any of the decor, please let me know down in the comments. This is how it turned out that night. We made this balloon arch. That's actually from Temu as well, and I was blown away with how cool that was. And the little lights, those are from Temu. And this is how the table looked the day of the party. I just love how it looked. We had such a fun time, and she had so much fun eating her cupcake. So I did put a little bit of video of her eating her cupcake in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you like videos like this. I will have to do more. Thanks, guys.
Get it, boo-boo.
What is that?
Get it. Oh. Eat.